guys, alright, today I had an awesome yard sale day. I went to a yard sale and this woman was getting rid of her knitting looms she had. And these ones were $1 a piece, and they are two of the Provo Craft Knifty Knitter Specialty Series in the original package, and it has the paper with it. This one actually has the original, it still has that with it too. Oh, this was the good day of knitting looms. Oh, I love my Provo Craft. I love the Knifty Knitter looms. They are just the most durable looms you're going to find. So I got both of those for $1 a piece, which I guess I could take it out so you could see it up close. It looks like they've never even been used. So this one you do just flat panels. You can do like a 10-stitch blanket on it, or you can use it double knitting rake style. That was $2. Now this one, I think I paid 50 cents for. Still has the loom tool with it, the original paper, and it's just one of the Knifty Knitter Specialty Series, the flower loom. This one right here is the one that I'm excited about. I paid $7 for this one, but it is still in the original box. Let me get all this out here so I can show you. And another bonus is it's a loom that I do not have. Okay, so again, it appears as though it's never been used. It's got nice metal pegs. One thing I don't like about the pegs is they kind of, it's an older loom, but see, they kind of angle out a bit. They don't have a big head on the top, which that's nice, but one thing, I'm spoiled. I like my pegs to have the loop, the track in them. But this thing is made so well. And it even has, let's see if I can get this where you guys can read it. Authentic Knitting Board Company, Authentic Knitting Board, patent pending, knittingboard.com. It has extra bolts because these right here can flip different ways to make a wider distance. And these, I think, originally came with, oh, maybe not. The pegs aren't over far enough. I have another loom from the Knitting Board Company. It's made similar to this, but it's plastic pegs. And they have the slit in them, but they have extender pieces over here. This one, it just turns sideways and you can make it wider apart. But for $7, this is an awesome loom, one to add to my collection. And it looked like they had ordered this one. It says Authentic Knitting Board Instruction. It is by the KB Knitting Board Company. It comes with the directions and everything. And it also came with, so I'm guessing they had ordered this from Mary Maximum maybe, but it has a pattern with it. Pull this up so you can see the information. So it did come with that. Yeah, very, very happy with my purchase. So never underestimate what you can find at yard sales. This year I have found so many knitting looms at yard sales so far, and I never have ever found knitting looms at yard sales in the past. So just keep looking. You never know what you're going to find. It's kind of like a treasure hunt. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to share with you some of the treasures I got this weekend at just going around town at yard sales. I don't live in a big area. I don't live in like a big huge city or anything like that. These are just small random yard sales. So you never know what you're going to find where. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe.